To perform a hard reset or factory reset on the VIVO Y91, you can follow the steps below. Please note that a hard reset will erase all data on your device, so make sure to back up any important information beforehand. Best method is to using the settings menu. Step number 1. Open the settings app on your VIVO Y91. Number 2. Scroll down and select Systems and Updates or System and Device depending on the device software version. Number 3. Tap on Reset or Additional Settings. Number 4. Choose Backup and Reset or Factory Data Reset. Number 5. Select Reset All Settings or Erase All Data. Number 6. Read the warning message and confirm your selection by entering your device PIN, password or pattern if prompted. Number 7. Tap on Reset or Delete All to initiate the hard reset process. Number 8. Wait for your device to reset and restart. After the hard reset, your VIVO Y91 will be restored to its factory settings and all data and setting will be erased. You can set up your device as new or restore a backup if you have one.